Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a splash screen image in your iOS app. Right? Now next. Great. Now this is our app. The place where we can change our splash screen is launch screen. And now I want to add an image inside this view. Then I have to put some image in this assets.xcast folder. For that, I am going to create an icon. The page I am using for create the icon is this one. Especially this is designed for Android logo designing, but I am using that for iOS app logo designing also. I can easily select a clip art here or put an image. Otherwise, I can use text. I am going to use text as sample. I can change the background color as white, or there is some more color, and the font color as this green color. Right. Now let's download this. Now we can extract this file. This is the large image file. In this folder there is also images, but this is the bigger one. Then we are going to put that in our iOS app. In this assets.xcast folder, I can drop it here. Right. I'm going to rename the file name as app logo. Right. Now go back to LaunchScreen.storyboard. Now press this button called library. Search for image, or you can easily scroll down and select this. Drag it to center. Now we can select the image. Here, have you seen it again? Let's go. Click the image view and make sure your position is this one, and select the image here, or you can also type the file name. Right. Now if you make orientation to horizontal, you can see our logo is going away. To fix that, we can add these alignment options. First one is horizontally in container and vertically in container. Press the add to constraints button. To change image width and height, press the logo and press this button called add new constraints. Make sure this width button and height button are selected. Now you can put a width. I'm going to use 248. Right. Now I want to add the label below of this logo. To do that, press the library button and scroll to label, drag it here. Now add a constraint and pinning. I want to make this horizontally in container, and I want to change this as adding new constraints. Let's add top constraint as 60. Right. Now change text as right.